Hi guys, welcome or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. But guys, I'm not feeling well because these days I have been facing cup problems since long, so that is why I wear this headband because of these days are very frigid cold here in our city. So I have been facing this problem, but as you know, I have to make also video every day because once I start something in my life, it can be anything. So I just want to complete no matter what is going on in my life. So guys, today is day 9 of speaking English channel for 21 days. So today I want to talk about you know what, usually whenever we start our English journey, so couple of month later we feel sometime why I'm not improving. And if we see other in any social platform, so we try to compare with them because we don't know their journey and our journey is different. So I think we should not compare like this, because if I talk about personally, so I usually compare myself others too much. So I try to uh, like I want to not compare with other, but I don't know why. I think human nature is like this and we always want to compare other, and he she is that level, so why I'm not. So that is why sometimes I also think like this. But guys, if we want to our improvement in English, so I think we should not compare, because many people, they come from different background and different situation. Like they have their schooling done in English medium and they have a good environment, and many people have their own journey. So I think we should not compare for learning this language, and which all things we learn in a daily basis. So uh, I think we should focus on our own journey, because if we try to always compare with other and thinking about I'm not improving, and look at there, she is very good at English and I'm not. So I think this thing is get demotivate us. So that is why I want to say, guys, if you are totally beginner and you know what, sometimes we feel demotivate and give up, so you should not compare with other, and don't think like I'm not improving anything, because once you start your journey, so make consistency and do your work consistently, and later then you uh, definitely see the changes in your English. And don't feel afraid do mistake any mistake, because mistake are part of it, our life, and it can be any field, like where we do mistakes, so we human learn from our mistakes. So that is why mistakes are part of our life, and we should not compare with other, because sometimes I also compare with other, like they have a good English fluency and she is good at English, why I'm not. So sometimes I also thinking like this, but later then I realize they come from different background, and I should focus on my journey, because where I come from, so I have to appreciate myself every day, because if I don't appreciate my hard work, so I think we demotivate by ourselves. So that is why we should focus our own journey and try to motivate us to go ahead and learn something new different way. Because if we talk about English, so I think English is not a overnight success, because we need to understand the all process about English, and we have to inculcate some new habit every day, and we have to immerse in English. And later then we realize English is very vast subject and language, we can say. So we should not like panic about it, just try to inculcate some new word vocabulary in a daily basis and try to learn, because it's a long process journey, so it is not getting overnight. We should focus on and try to motivate ourselves every day and try to learn something new and try to conversation with each other. Guys, I want to share this all things. If you are a beginner, so if you are watching my video, so please uh, try to understand we should not compare other, and we should focus on our improvement, because we always compare others, so that's why we get demotivated. So that is not good habit. And so that's all for this video, and Keep learning, and I'll meet you in the next video tomorrow. Till then, bye.